nightingale that all day long had cheered the village with his song, nor yet at eve his note suspended, began to feel as well he might the keen demands of appetite, when, looking eagerly around, he spied far off upon the ground something shining in the dark, and knew the glowworm by his spark. So, stooping down from hawthorn top, he thought to put him in his crop. The worm, aware of his intent, harangued him thus, right eloquent. "Did you admire my lamp," quoth he, "as much as I your minstrelsy? You would abhor to do me wrong, as much as I to spoil your song. For it was the self-same power divine taught you to sing and me to shine, that you with music, I with light, might beautify and cheer the night." The songster heard his short oration, and wobbling out his approbation, released him, as my story tells, and found a supper somewhere else. My dear students, now we'll understand what the poet is trying to say through this poem. A nightingale that all day long had cheered the village with his song. The poet tells that a nightingale had been singing tirelessly the whole day. His melodious singing made the villagers very happy, and everybody is enjoying his song. Nor yet at eve his note suspended, began to feel as well he might the keen demands of appetite. His singing continued even in the evening. The nightingale became tired and started feeling pangs of hunger, when, looking eagerly around, he spied far off upon the ground a something shining in the dark, and knew the glowworm by his spark. Now this feeling of hunger, which had now become uncontrollable, led him to look far and wide to locate something to eat. Suddenly, he caught sight of something glowing, as it was dark all over. He could sense that it was a glowworm. So, stooping down from hawthorn top, he thought to put him in his crop. So what this nightingale did? He took a quick flight down from hawthorn tree's top to catch hold of the glowworm. The worm, aware of his intent, harangued him thus, right eloquent. "Did you admire my lamp?" quoth he, "as much as I your minstrelsy." In these lines, the poet says, when the glowworm saw the nightingale approaching towards it, it could also sense his intentions, that he was going to gobble it. So, it acted smart and uttered,
"Did you admire my lamp?"
This means, did you like my glittering as much as I liked your melodious singing? Did you admire my lamp? Meaning, did you like my glittering as much as I liked your melodious singing? You would abhor to do me wrong as much as I to spoil your song. So the glowworm tells the nightingale that it would never stop or disturb him when he will be singing his notes. Similarly, It also expects Nightingale not to harm him or his shining glow. For it was the self-same power divine taught you to sing and me to shine, that you with the music, I with the light, might beautify and cheer the night. In these lines, the glowworm continues with his piece of advice. It apprises the glowworm that its glittering and the nightingale's melodious voice are both gifted by the same Lord. The ability to sing sweetly has been bestowed by the Almighty to entertain others, and so has been its sparkling body to beautify and lighten the dark night. The songster heard his short oration and, wobbling out his approbation, released him, as my story tells, and found a supper somewhere else. So, my dear children, the nightingale, after paying heed to what the glowworm pleaded, decided to let it go, and he flew off to find his dinner somewhere else. Thus, the glowworm saved his life. So, my dear students, this poem is indeed very beautiful and teaches us that every living or non-living being has its own importance. Each one has a unique quality and is useful in its own way. For the world to be happy and prosperous, one must learn to coexist with others in a spirit of mutual respect and understanding.